Hello everyone, introduce me, Fitria Ismail Al-Bukhari. Here I will explain about the different type of narrative text. Are you curious? Let's discuss with me. Everyone, do you know the types of narrative text? Types of narrative text are legend, fantasy, and fairy tale. What's the difference between the three? Let's explore them together. Okay, first one is legend. Legend is a story from the past that is believed by many people but cannot be proved to be true. The elements of a legend, they are the characters, the plot, and the environment. Generic structures of the legend are orientation, complication, resolution, and then reorientation. Okay, the examples of legend are the legend of Beowulf, Robin Hood, or even Bigfoot. Next, number 2 is fantasy. It's a type of story or literature that is set in a magical world, often involving traditional myth and magical creatures, and sometimes ideas or events from the real world. The elements of a fantasy are magic, adventure, struggle for mastery, subgenre and types, place or setting, and world building. The generic structures of fantasy story texts are orientation, complication, and resolution. Okay, for examples of fantasy story are Harry Potter, Peter Pan, The Lion, The Witch, and the Wardrobe. Okay, last is fairy tale. Fairy tale is a story for children involving magical events and imaginary creators. The elements of a fantasy are a set piece used at the beginning and end of the story repetition. 2. An element of magic. 3. A problem which needs to be solved. 4. Typical characters types. And the last is setting. Okay, generic structures of fairy tale are orientation, complication, and resolution. The examples of fairy tale is Cinderella, Beauty and the Beast, Rapunzel, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, Little Red Riding Hood, Jack and the Beanstalk, Sleeping Beauty, and Puss in Boots. Okay, everyone, that's all from me. I hope you understand what the difference are between the three types of narrative text. See you next time, guys. I hope this useful. Ta-da!